There was a hurricane alert that was supposed to be hitting today. But oh my gosh, guys, look at what's going on over there. Hey guys, so I'm finally in Vegas after a long day. Hey guys, so I'm at the International Airport here in Cabo. You're supposed to get 3 hours before your flight leaves, but I got here 2 hours before, and I'm just waiting over here. There's no people, so it's amazing. And my first flight is gonna be to Dallas. Guys, I forgot to tell you, there was a hurricane alert that was supposed to be hitting today. And yesterday at night I couldn't sleep because at 3 a.m. I woke up and there was this huge thunderstorm. And I'm just looking outside. But oh my gosh, guys, look at what's going on over there. The rain's coming our way. That's scary. Let's hope the flight and everything goes well. Vegas after a long day. I've been up since 5 a.m. Right now it's 8:30 p.m. and I'm just waiting for Christian to come pick me up. I'm super excited to see him already. Keep up. Is it good?
Wow.
Okay, give it to me now.
Oh my goodness. It's terrible.
Pretty sure it is. So I decided to go out for a walk today. Weather's super nice here in California. I love it. And it's funny because Christian went to the other side to a little hill to do some sprints. I'm gonna show you guys. So I decided to go this way, and Christian, don't know if you guys can see him, but he's over there.